Hi YouTube. Okay, this video is going to be kind of a, not really a two-part, but it's going to touch two subjects. I came across a contest for suburban moms when a flip camcorder, and I figured, okay, I'll make a video just to enter the contest. This will be the first one I've ever entered. But the main reason why I wanted to make a video was not actually for the camera itself, but was to bring attention to the charity that I have just recently started volunteering for. This year I've decided to volunteer for the Salvation Army Red Kettles. I'm one of the people that stands outside of stores ringing a bell, more or less begging for your money, but it is for a good cause. It's for children whose parents cannot buy them Christmas gifts. It is a wonderful charity, it really is. And that's not all that the Salvation Army does, but that's what the Red Kettles are for. I've always, whenever I go by them, I always give them, even if I only have like 2 pennies in my pocket, or that's all the money I have, I always give them at least that. Because even though I'm not giving them a whole lot, I know that in the end, all the money that they do get does add up. Whenever somebody puts money in my kettle, I actually admire the people who put just their pocket change in, than the people that put a couple dollars in. Because the people that put just their pocket change in I know that that pocket change will go to something else. Where I'm ringing a bell is outside of a Kroger store. I'm not going to tell you where, because I don't need anyone coming to try and hurt me or anything, but where my kettle is like 10 feet away from not the vending machines, but like the bubblegum machines where kids can put their quarters and get little toys or bubblegum, candy, whatever. And it is the coolest thing in the world to see a parent give their child a quarter for a bubblegum, and then instead of that little boy or little girl getting a bubblegum, they put it in my kettle. It is so cool. It really, truly is. I have had my share of people who more or less scowl at me, and I'm not doing this for me. I'm not doing it to make myself feel better. I'm doing it because I want to help the kids. So that's why I volunteer. I don't have a whole lot of money to give. I don't have a car to go around and pick up kettles, but I do have a hand and I do have feet, so I can stand there and I can ring a bell. I do live in Michigan, so those of you who are familiar at all with North, you know that Michigan can get downright cold. So yeah, I've been cold. Yeah, it's only November 20th. Yes, it's gonna get colder, but the kettle bell ringers are run strictly by volunteers. I don't get paid for what I do. I don't want to get paid for what I do, and if I did get paid for what I do, I would put that money in the kettle. Because if us who ring the bells didn't do it, who would do it? So someone has to do it. And like I said, it's for the kids. So next time you see one of those red kettles, please, 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 if you got a nickel on you, put that nickel in there with pride. Because even though it's just a nickel,